Guess who's back? Back again. Lisa's back. Tell a friend. Hello, my equestrian friends. It's me, Lisa, the Budget Equestrian. Welcome back to another video. Long time no video, right? Sorry about that, but I'm back and I'm ready to make some ultra new fun videos for you to watch. And during my break from YouTube, I was able to participate in a really fun challenge that was put on by Noelle Floyd. And I think you guys have heard me talk about Noelle Floyd and the master classes that they offer. And during the month of May, they had a challenge which was called Master Your Mindset for May, which was really beneficial for me and for Pleasant. And I had so much fun doing it that I hope they do a challenge like that again, because it really changed my perspective on working with Pleasant, riding Pleasant, and just having a fun time being with my horses and restoring my confidence. And when I do a challenge like this, something that's like 30 days long, this was the entire month of May, I like to reward myself as a motivator to help get me through the harder times or the times where I might be going, I'm not too sure if I really want to do this. So this box right here, this was my motivator to help get me through the Master Your Mindset Challenge. And I got this box from a company called Just Riding. They are located in the United Kingdom. And this is one of their mystery boxes. Now, if you haven't heard of Just Riding, they are an equestrian company that have saddles, they have tack, they have breeches, show clothes, and lots of different things from really high-end equestrian companies like Equestrian, Montar, places like that. And if you go on their website, they have what's called a mystery box. And you can choose from 3 different mystery boxes. One is 50 British pounds, one is 100 British pounds, and one is 200 British pounds. And that is the one that I got. I was like, I'm going big. I'm going to get the most that I can. So what I did was save up extra money that I made for May, and I put that towards the cost of buying this mystery box. This was the 200-pound mystery box, and the equivalent of 200 British pounds in currency is about $222.31. So right around $222 is what this cost, but I've bought mystery boxes from them before and they have totally been worth it. So that is what I did to help motivate myself during the Noelle Floyd Master Your Mindset Challenge. So let's open up the box and see what is inside of the mystery box. It did have an outer packaging on it, but I took that off because I didn't want to have to open that on the video as well. But this is the box. This box is full. All right, I'm going to put this beside me because there's a lot of stuff in it and I won't be able to see over the box. So I'll open it this way. So first they sent me a bunch of, oh, these are cool. They're like brochures on different products they have. This is E-Quick. It says train like an athlete, win like a champion. E-Quick, protection for your horses. And another protection for your horses brochure from E-Quick. And this is a brochure for tech stirrups. These things are really pretty. They come in lots of different colors. I wonder if that's what's in my box. I wonder if that's why they gave me these brochures. That's cool. We'll find out. And a little handout for a product called Aero Chill, which is evaporative cooling boots for horses. That's kind of cool. They sent me a brochure for LAS helmets, LAS helmets. They got some fancy helmets in there, but they're pretty fancy. I haven't ever heard of LAS helmets before. They are a product of Italy, it looks like, but that's pretty fancy. Don't think there's a helmet in there. I don't think that box is big enough. So the first thing, they put it in a bag. Just Riding. I like the bag. Woo! There's 2 things in here. This is a pair of boot socks. Those are cool. They are Komodo's technical socks. Very pretty. It says they're merino wool. Grab my scissors. I don't want to tear the socks. I like the colors too. Very nice. And like I said, these boot socks are made by Komodo, and if I were to buy these, they would cost about $16.47. All right, this is pretty fancy. I got a pair of Montar Breeches, and these are the ESS high waist full silicone breeches in mud color. Those are so pretty. And it has a silicone grip on the seat, so it's a full seat with the silicone grip. And I really like the high waist. It's nice. It helps keep everything covered. Unlike if you're wearing a pair of low-rise breeches and you bend over, or even sitting in the tack, your underwear can show. So I really like the high-rise breeches. The fabric is really elastic, so it's very stretchy, as well as dirt repellent. The full silicone seat gives you extra stick when you're in the tack, so it helps you kind of stick to your saddle. And there are 2 front pockets, and they have the Lycra sock bottoms, so that you're able to tuck them easily into your boots and you don't have that Velcro. Remember when we used to have the Velcro straps at the bottom of our breeches? Thankfully, those are going away. And now most companies are doing this Lycra sock bottom style. So they fit really well under your boots and they don't rub or anything. Now, if I were to buy these breeches retail price myself right now, they would be about $158. So $158 and almost $17 on the boot socks, and I'm almost at the cost of what it cost me to buy this mystery box. So let's see what else I got. Something in bubble wrap. Well, this is fancy. This is Parlente, is that how you say it? Parlente Nourishing Cream Polish for your boots. I can't smell it, but this is like a black polish for your boots. So it's a nourishing cream polish for your boots that help to slow down the aging process and adds a professional finish to your tall boots. And it says it's recommended to perform these steps each time it's used on your boot. So you clean with a damp cloth to remove the superficial dirt and dust, allow it to dry, and then you use a brush to spread the product on the entire outer surface of the boot. After about 15 minutes, you pass a cloth on the surface, making it shiny and bright. And it says we do not recommend the use of greases, oils, or soaps on your boots. So I'm assuming that would be for Parlente boots, but I used it on my Ariat boots and it worked just fine and made them look very, very pretty. Now this has a retail price of about $30 US, so that's another awesome product to get in my mystery box. This is an Oster brush. It's a stiff grooming brush. And I really like how that fits into my hand. That's really nice. Very stiff bristles. Now, this is a really nice, durable brush. It does have stiff bristles to help remove mud, sweat, and dirt off of your horse. And like you said, the way that the handle is made, it fits really comfortably in your hand when you're using it. Now, this brush costs about $15 US. And if you buy it from Riding Warehouse, they actually have it in different colors. They had like, I think it was a teal, and they had a really pretty cranberry color. This is the blue one, and they had a pink one as well. So that's a really nice brush. I really like how the brush fits into my hand. And the next one, this is from Acavallo, and it is gel bit guards. Well, aren't those fancy? They're super bendy. Yeah, I should be able to get that over a ring of a bit. Now the Acavallo gel bit guards, they have a soft gel molding to fit around the mouthpiece of the bit, which offers protection for the corners of your horse's mouth. This helps to prevent pinching and rubbing, and it works with most types of bits. Now the bit guards also help the bit to stay straight and balanced in your horse's mouth. So this is something nice that will prevent the bit from going through his mouth, and it's just a little gentler on the corners of his mouth. And if I were to buy these bit guards by A Cavallo, it would run $24.99 approximately US for a pair of bit guards. Those are fun. I'm going to go put them on one of my bridles. Okay, now we have another bag in the box. Ooh, feeling fancy. Look at how pretty that is. So this is a Lemu comfort halter. Now it's made with a soft fleece lining for ultimate comfort for your horse. It's adjustable on both sides of the pole and the noseband too, so that you can get the perfect fit for your horse. And it's even washable. Now, if I were to buy this halter, it would cost around $16.70. So that is actually a really nice halter for less than $20. Oops, I think Pleasant will look very nice in that halter. And there's one more thing in my bag. See, I got another bag. That is very pretty. So this is a Dion saddle pad. Dion, is that how you say it? Now the Dion saddle pad is made from cotton, and it has a waffle cotton lining, so the part that comes next to your horse. It's navy blue in color with cream piping and a matching Dion logo. And I love logos on saddle pads. Now Pleasant looks really nice in navy blue, so this definitely is going to be perfect for him. And I already have the navy bonnet, so even though it doesn't have the cream on the bonnet, it still will work perfectly with this saddle pad. And one thing that I really like about this saddle pad, number one, is the withers, how it's shaped for the horse's back. But I'm not a huge fan of the billet keepers up high, and this saddle pad does not have the billet keepers. It does have the girth keeper, which is okay. I can totally use that, but I'm not a fan of the billet keepers. So for me, this saddle pad is perfect, and perfect for Pleasant as well. And if I were to buy the saddle pad, it would cost around $70 US. Okay, so I can honestly say that I love everything that came in my Just Riding mystery box. For me, the cost of $222 was well worth it for the items that I got in the surprise box. Now, if I were to buy all of those items separately, it would have cost me over $332. So $222 versus $332, I think I did really well. And even better is everything in that box I'm going to be using, as you've seen in the video. It's already being put to good use. So, and for me, myself, I personally really like having a reward for myself at the end of some kind of challenge that I've set up or I've signed on for. Every year I tend to do some sort of challenge, and every year I go back to Just Riding and reward myself with one of their mystery boxes, because they are just really fun, and I have gotten some really nice stuff for myself as well as my horses in the mystery boxes. And for a long time, I subscribed to different subscription boxes for equestrians, and those were between $25 and $35 a month. And there would be some nice things in there for sure, but I honestly think that if I would have saved my money instead of doing the $35 a month, then I could have gotten one of these mystery boxes in a little bit less time than a year. But again, I'm able to use everything in the box, and it's super high quality, and the people at Just Riding are very personable. They're very fun to work with, very nice. They let you know what's going on with your order. Just Riding is awesome. They are an awesome company, and the fact that they ship to the US from the United Kingdom is pretty cool. They also ship really fast. So if you want something like this, it's not going to take you like 2 weeks to get it from the UK to the US. Usually it's taken about 5 to 7 days for me to get it shipped from the UK to my house in the United States. So if you like surprises and you want to get something really nice for yourself or for your horse, then I would highly encourage you to try one of the mystery boxes from Just Riding. This has been the third mystery box that I've bought from them, and I've been super, super happy with everything that came inside. So if you'd like to try your luck at getting your own mystery box, I have left a link in the description box below. You can just click on it and it will take you right to Just Riding's website, and you could order your very own mystery box. Thanks for sticking with me on my brief little hiatus or break, whatever you want to call it, from making videos. I promise I've got a lot of videos that are coming your way. And if this is your first time here, you should subscribe to my channel. I've got lots of other videos already made for you, showing you different DIY projects, product reviews, and horse-related videos showing you how to make the most of the time that you have with your horse. Again, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.